In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Microsoft Outlook account. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and search for Outlook like this. And this will take you to the Outlook website, or you can also log in with Microsoft 365 here. So I'll go ahead and click on Outlook, and here we can begin the sign up. Alternatively, if you go to Microsoft 365 website and click on it here, go to products here, you should be able to see Outlook. Go ahead and click on it, and this will take you to the same Microsoft Outlook. You can also go ahead and download the desktop version directly from this page. If you don't have an account, you can go ahead and click on create account to create account with an outlook.com extension. Go ahead and enter your new email here, or you can change this to any of these, either Outlook or Hotmail. Enter your new email you wish to create. That's mine, and then click on next. Then create your password. And then click on next. And here go ahead and enter your details such as month, day, and year of birth. So I'll go ahead and enter the same. Make sure you also select your country or region here, and then click on next. Then add your name, and then click on next. And now you have to perform the human proof. And here we go. I'm done. From here, you need to go ahead and create a passkey. I've gone ahead and created a recovery pin. And here my passkey has been created. I'll click on OK. And here we go. I'm now in my Outlook account. As you can see, it is blank because I haven't created any document or any file. So that's how you can create or set up an Outlook account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.